Hey, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the ice dispenser switch on your LG refrigerator. If you are experiencing problem like your dispenser not responding, no ice being dispensed, or intermittent functionality, it could be time to check or replace this switch. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more straightforward and practical appliance repair guides. Let's tackle this repair together. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a putty knife, a Flatblade screwdriver, a Torx 10 screwdriver, and a multimeter. To get to the ice dispenser switch, we need to pull out the entire dispenser assembly. Unplug the refrigerator before going any further. Then push on the corner of the drip pan grill and remove it. With the flat blade screwdriver, pry out the drip tray and slide it out. Next, I recommend removing the left side door handle. You will have much better access to the right side of the dispenser. Use a Torx 10 screwdriver to loose up 2 screws and remove the handle. Using the putty knife, free the display clips around the perimeter. Don't kill yourself if you'll break 1 or 2 clips along the way. Trust me, it's still going to work. Carefully put the dispenser assembly down. Don't damage the wiring harness. Using a flatblade screwdriver, remove the wires from the switch terminals. Set the multimeter to continuity. It's like a Wi-Fi looking sign. Touch both switch terminals with the meter test leads and then press the ice button. The ice lever should push the switch actuator and the meter should read continuity. If there's no continuity, the switch is defective. Take out the Phillips screw and lift off the switch. This is the old dispenser switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Place the new switch onto the pin. Align the holes and secure the switch with the Phillips screw. Slide on both wire connectors. Make sure the wires are not on the way and install the dispenser assembly. Press the edges in to lock the clips. Slide the drip tray in and place the grill on. Install the door handle and use the Torx 10 screwdriver to tighten the screws. Don't forget to plug the fridge in. Congratulations! Great job on that dispenser switch repair. We would love to hear how it went. Feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you still need a replacement ice dispenser switch, just grab your model number and go to AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thanks for letting us assist you with your appliance repair needs. See you on your next project.